Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Wi-Fi. Once you're on the Wi-Fi screen, select the network you're connected to. You need to tap the network entry or the gear icon next to it to reveal details. Because Oppo requires confirmation to share credentials, make sure your screen lock is set and ready. A PIN, pattern, or fingerprint will be requested to protect the password before anything is generated. This step prevents accidental exposure and ensures only you can create the code. Once you're in the network details, look for Share or the QR code icon and tap it. This is the action that actually creates the QR. You'll be prompted to authenticate, enter your PIN, pattern, or use your fingerprint, because the phone must verify it's you before revealing the password in encoded form. After authentication, the QR appears on screen encoding the SSID and password. You can now have others scan it with their camera or Wi-Fi scanner to join quickly and securely. To finish, have the guest open their camera or Wi-Fi scanner and aim at the on-screen QR. Once scanned, their device will prompt to join the network and connect automatically. If scanning fails, increase screen brightness and hold the phone steady to remove glare or zoom in so the other device focuses. If you can't generate a QR at all, make sure your Oppo's Color OS is up to date and that a secure screen lock is set. These are common blockers, and updating usually resolves them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.